Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau, and I want to share with you how to do the automation for money agent data. So suppose you have the data set like this, and or basically look like this. There's a late date column, and based on the late date column, you put it into a different bucket, and just like this, and the balance should put in a different bucket. So you can use the and function together the if function, and you need to learn this if and and before you come to this class. So now let's say already done this. This is what Excel way to do. Now we can do the same in Power Query. To do that, we basically go to data set here, and we don't really need this. We can do it later, delete it. First of all, this already is a Power Query. I covered it into that because it's a part 2. So you go to the query and you click edit. We continue from the previous video result. So we just need to look at the late date and the balance on. Okay. Then we go to the add column, and we can choose using a condition column if you want to. Let's just click on that conditional column. So we're looking at the late date. If it is equals is greater than okay, let's say it's greater than 90 days or 90, so one of them is called 90 days. Oh, greater than 91 days, yeah. So greater than 90 days, so we should be is greater than 90. Then we can say plus 91 days, the new columns right there. Then what do we do? Well, we will actually go to, but we select column. So right here we go for the balance on, and let's just click OK. See what else. What else? We can just put 0, and then either we put 0 or we put a now also can. Click OK, and then you can see that this is 145, so it goes to this plus 91 days because it's that one. Now what we actually done is actually also a custom column, but that is one you can see here, late. And then if you want to have is greater than or equals to, you also can. And this is the slow way, but it's easy to learn. Now the other method is custom column. So we click on the custom column, then we go to if function, and what we do is that if the late date is greater or equals to first one will be 1 to 30, so let's put there 1, and the late date lesser equals to 30, then balance on, else. Now so over here you can type 1 to 30 days, then you click OK. So we can see that 29 is 400 here. See that? Like 17, it goes to here. And you can examine that by double-clicking on the step. You can see these are the if function and put it here. So we can type this out easily. So I'm going to put this thing and put it into my Power Query book. So you can see that are the steps: if, error, and so on. And so over here, let's copy this. I'll put it here. Right click, paste it. Okay, so there is a if function, then there's a then, and there's this else, and this no need to, it's case sensitive, so you don't use the, as you can see here, if then else are all in small letter. And let's say if we change it to capital letter, is it working? Let me just try it out here. If, and then I press enter, oh, it doesn't allow. You see that? It is very case sensitive, so it should be small letter. And same goes to this n. If I just change n, can it be done? See that? Token than expected, so we cannot. Let's use the small letter. Okay, so we done this one. Next is we can do another one here. Again, add column, custom column, and the next one would be under 31 to 60. So 31 to 60. So we just put there 31 to 60 days. To do that, we just type if, again, late date greater or equal to 31, and late date is it lesser equals to 60, then will be balanced on, else will be now. Okay, it's just now. Okay, and click OK. So now we have 1 to 30, 30 to 60. Okay, so I hope you see how to use both way. One is condition column, the other is the custom column. And if you only have one conditions on the same column, then you can use the condition column. If you have multiple, then you can use custom column, or I mean multiple conditions like the and function. You have to check many, use the custom column. So I hope this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia.